Hi, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to plot geographic data in GeoDa and do the Moran's eye index. So for that, what you have to do is you will have a data. It will probably be cross-sectional or panel data. What you can do is you can select all the data and go for the pivot table. And in the pivot table, you will have you select the country name as a variable, and then this variable that you want to plot as a pivot table, and then make sure that it is an average value. Okay, so that this will be the data that you will use. And what you can do is, first of all, copy it and paste it in a new file as a value and save that file as a CSV. Then you have to go into GeoDa and get that shapefile and import that into GeoDa. And when it is imported, you can see the map which is confirmed here. Then you can see for the variables, and you will see the variable names, and you probably have already saved the CSV file in which these values are. So this is my file. What you have to do in that is that match create a new ID variable which is same as the ID number, poly ID number, and you need to know how to get the poly ID number in the GeoDa. When you get in the GeoDa, you have to create a weight matrix and then create a new weight, and you will, when you create a weight, add a variable, you will select the poly ID. When you create poly ID, you create a distance. In the other video, it is already shown that how to create a distance matrix. When the distance matrix is made, your data file will have a poly ID variable. Without that, it will not be there. In my data file, there are already some extra variables which I will remove it. So how you remove? You in edit variable properties. You don't use that. You go in delete variables, and I will select these extra variables because I'm going to import it again. So this is my shapefile that you will also get when you download it online. You import this shapefile, create the weight matrix, you will get the poly ID. Make sure your poly ID numbers are same as in order as here. So I make sure that country names, even though I am not arranged the country names, but I made sure that the numbers are matching. If the country names are too many, you can do is that you can go in this file and copy it, and you can copy and then arrange it in order and then match the numbers. So it means my Excel file is ready to be imported. So I will go in the GeoDa, and what I will do here, I will minimize everything here, and I will go here, merge a data file. I will select the CSV file that has been created. This is my CSV file. I will select the CSV file, and it will, first of all, my first field is variable names, yes. Then it will ask me my data file, the shape file has a variable name poly ID, and my data file has a variable name ID which I want to add. Then I will import it, make sure I include all of them because most of them are needed. When you merge it, it will say it's successfully merged. Then you can go and see variable properties. Make sure that the data that you want to plot is numeric. So this one is not numeric. I will change it to integer. So that when you change it, it will show the numbers here. And others, this is also my integer variable. So other than that, I don't have to plot it. So the variables have been here. So next, I need to plot on a country map. So quantile wise 4, and I select the variable name. So it will plot on a map. So this way you will get a country map of the region that you want to plot. So this was the MENA region that I was working on. And then you can go for in the space univariate Moranzai, it says you have to load the weights, and since I have already made the weights in the previous video and it's already saved, so I will, rather than create, I will load them. So they are placed here, weight file, and I will close. So since weight file is made, you can close this and go in time, space, Moran's eye, you will select the variable and you will plot. So this is showing that it is a slight negative Moran's I for this variable. So this way you can do the Moran's I, and if you have two variables, you can go in and multivariate, bivariate Moran's I. So this was the objective of the tutorial today, to merge the data file with the map file so that you can plot it. You can have more variables in the data, and then you can assess more information, like if I can use circle size and circle color, so it will just create circles like this, and so more functions can be seen. So I hope you understood. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.